Hi, today in our lesson, you learned that ED often has different sounds. Like in turned, it has the D sound. In painted, we hear the ID sound. And in asked, the ED actually makes a T sound, asked. Today, your job is to pick a card from down here or over here, and we're going to go through all the cards. We are going to read the card, and then you're going to determine which category it belongs in. Does it have the D sound, the ED sound, or the T sound at the end? And you will put it in the right category. So, for example, planted, it has the ID sound like painted. So I'm going to move planted into the painted category. Same thing with joked. When I read joked, I hear the T sound just like in asked. I'm going to move joked into the asked category. I will go through all of the cards and make sure all of them go into the category they belong in. And then when you're done, you're going to insert a slash mark, just like this one right here, to represent the syllables. So for example, in planted, I'm going to put the slash mark between the T and the ED to represent the two syllables. Have fun sorting your cards.